What's up, guys? This update just came out like a second ago or something, but it's clouds open. Clouds open faster than caves somehow. Bro, look at this. This is a whole leaf guardian, leaf ninja, or whatever.
Wait, hold
Fur.
on.
Oh my god,
No,
this is sick.
What's up, everybody?
Bro, what the hell?
Fur?
This is insane.
Bro,
Bro, oh my god.
First of all, they have a new fur.
Oh, what
They have a new
the?
fur. Let's
Bro,
start with the new cosmetic. Bro, what is that
Flag.
fur? Dang, this is like...
Wait,
Oh,
what?
they have some sick aviators.
Wait, what? You could throw flowers?
They have aviators, bro. Check out my dad fit.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a
Bro! Alright, let's go take these cosmetics out.
No, this is wrong. And they have a new, like, $30 thing. Actually,
We got this. Yo, oh.
I can't change the rest
Like, I'm wearing a patch right now with this because I like it. Because I can wear my rosy cheeks too.
Wait, can you throw it? Oh my god! Wait, you can get the star
What the
things, you can throw them! Bro, look! Watch this, guys!
Okay. Oh, I see that mustache.
Wait,
Oh!
guys, look at, check out my new hair.
Umbrella!
What? I'd buy it.
That's
I'd buy
free!
it. I
That's
don't care.
free!
I'll
That
buy
has to
it.
be free. That has to be free. That's cool.
I'd buy
Alright,
this too.
guys, I'm gonna go
This
check
is
out the map.
crazy.
I'm checking out the map.
Two rotating. Those two rotating.
What the hell? Where'd you get that? Yo!
Wait, same. Just imagine what it'll look like.
What the heck?
Better be. Like the past.
Yo! Yo! What the heck? Bro, what? Yo! 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 Oh my god! What the? Yo! Yo! Oh my god, I'm flying!
It rotates every.
Yo, I'm flying! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's go check out the new. Let's go check out Cloud.
Oh my god! This is insane! Yo!
I hear people already screaming about Cloud. Sounds good.
I know, it's insane!
Sounds good, so I'm gonna try to. It is.
It's insane! What the hell? Oh my god!
Lava monkeys.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
This is like awesome. I'm a fly.
Bro, what is this?
Wait, what do I?
Wait, this is insane! How the hell? Bro, what? Oh my god! I've been in shock for like 5 minutes! This is the best! This is probably my favorite map, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god! Yo, what the?
Imagine what tagging would look like. Yeah, like just flying around. This is like epic
Vines!
for-
Yo, there's like actual vines that work this time.
Ropes, but do they have zip lines?
Yo, what the hell?
Does
Yo,
every
look at
rope
this.
have a zip line?
You can't grab these. And you still can't grab those.
Woo! Oh, there's ropes. Guys,
Wait.
there's ropes.
Is that a zip line? Oh my god! They have a huge zip line, guys. They have a huge zip line.
They do? Where
Yeah.
is it? Yeah, let me see. Oh, I see it. That's
It's big. Yo, that's what she
I'm
said.
coming.
But it's
And
bro,
there's
what?
houses, too.
Oh my god.
Try this. Hold on. I'm gonna do it. The zip line.
Yo, I'm flying! Oh my god, I'm flying!
It's hard.
Yo! Bro, look at this, guys. It's like a freaking glider. What the? Oh, no!
I'm flying to the very top.
Oh my god. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! I made it to the house! I made it to the house! Oh my god!
Wait, I'm coming! Oh! No!
Yo, what the heck? What's this? There's a bridge? What?
Wait, can you just fly normally?
What?
No, you have
My
to
god.
fly. This is way better. This is way better than space update was. Oh shoot! Come on.
The space update was exciting, but this update, it was not expected.
This update is better. Is it just the badge that's free? Yeah, I think this is
Oh my god! Bro, I know how to control it.
that would be a crazy edit. Guys, I'm using.
I'm glad this ain't no April Fool's joke. I hope. Oh my god. Yo, I'm flying! I'm flying! I'm flying! Yo, what? I was flying. Music! Oh my god, this is paradise. Gorilla Tag just changed, guys. Big update. I'm about to hit the outro here, guys. Go check this update out yourself. It's awesome. You can fly now. The map got way bigger. We'll be doing I'll be making I'll be making like a different code I'll be in later. Right, I'll be putting that on YouTube so you can play the Clouds map with me. I'm about to play the outro. I have an outro now, but I'm about to play it. Yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace.